Welcome to the Purrfect recipe remake. I'm EK, and these are my two whiskered sous chefs, Romeo and Juliet. Today, we're baking one of our favourites, fudgy cocoa brownies from Joy of Baking. Let's start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and lining an 8-inch baking tin with parchment. Don't forget to butter it, or in Romeo's case, nap in the foil roll. While that's warming up, we'll toast our pecans for about 8 minutes in low oven. You'll know they're ready when your kitchen smells like a nutty dream, or when Juliet starts sniffing the air. Before we dive into mixing magic, let's take a peek at our ingredients. We've got rich cocoa powder, creamy butter, and sweet sugar. The brownie trio. Add in some flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt for balance. 2 eggs, a dollop of sour cream, and a splash of vanilla. Bring everything together, and don't forget the crunchy pecans, Romeo's favourite. Juliet's just here for the butter. Again, all the exact quantities are in the description box below, so don't worry, we've got you covered. All ready? Let's get whisking. Melt your butter, then stir in sugar and cocoa powder until glossy. Now add vanilla, then the eggs, one at a time, mixing until smooth and shiny. Don't let Romeo near the spoon. Learn that the hard way. In a small bowl, whisk flour, baking powder, and salt. Fold it into the batter with a gentle hand. Then add sour cream and your toasted pecans. Juliet calls this the magic moment. Pour your batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Bake for 28 to 30 minutes. The top should crackle just a bit, and the toothpick should come out with a few moist crumbs. Perfection. Let them cool if you can wait. We chilled ours before slicing into 16 squares of fudgy goodness. Romeo gives it 2 paws up. Juliet? She blinked. That's a chef's kiss in cat language. Thanks for baking with us. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more furry feedback and cozy remakes. See you next time in the Purrfect recipe remake kitchen. Bye!